Okay, what's up guys? Eric here, and we're gonna try something a little bit different today. And you have to bear with me because this was a work in progress. I get a lot of questions about affiliate marketing. I get a lot of questions about like, how do you do it? What do you do? Where do you start? And I get all kinds of questions that I'm actually pretty surprised that people don't know. I made a decision that I'm going to go over this in a simple way of exactly what affiliate marketing is. Basic affiliate marketing 101. This is for beginners. This is for people that know nothing. I'm going to try to share this with you, a little presentation, which I'm terrible at, but I literally just spent a little bit of time making a little bit of documents for you guys. If you don't like how it looks, or you need more pictures and all that good jazz, give me a break next time. But for now, you're gonna learn about affiliate marketing. Let's dive in here quickly. I'm gonna go over this quick, and if you have any questions, you can send me a text, 917-636-1998. Feel free to ask a question in the comments here, and I will answer them. So for now, let's dive in here and go. What's up? Eric Beer here, performance marketer, baby. So affiliate marketing 101 for beginners. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing, it is the process in which an affiliate gets paid to promote a third-party offer, somebody else's product that you're gonna go out and promote and try to drive some action. If you do so, you're gonna get paid. The way it works is you do a deal with an advertiser. Affiliates, advertisers. The affiliate will create a relationship with an advertiser who is a buyer to you as the affiliate, okay? You will do a deal up front when you begin working with them. You get paid when you generate some action. The way it works is the sales, the leads, the clicks, anything that's defined as a conversion where you have earned commission will be tracked by the advertiser's affiliate link. What does that mean? An affiliate link. An affiliate link means that that link is unique to you as an affiliate. No one else in the world has access to that link. Any activity takes place in that link, clicks, leads, sales. It will all track back to you, your account within that affiliate program. So that's the way that they know that you're driving traffic. The who of affiliate marketing. What makes up affiliate marketing? The who of affiliate marketing. Number one, the advertiser. There's three people involved in this. There's an advertiser. The advertiser is considered somebody who is a merchant, vendor, maybe they're a lead generation company, anybody that has a product or service that they're looking to promote out in the marketplace. Advertisers want to find affiliates. They want to find as many affiliates as possible that can promote their product to an audience, okay? The whole concept here, what advertisers are looking for is they're looking to get distribution of their offer online. And another term for that is traffic, right? You hear a lot of people say you want to own your own traffic, or you have earned media, right? Traffic. Ultimately, traffic is eyeballs, people that are going to be able to look at an offer and make a decision if they want to click or not. So in this respect, what advertisers do is they try to tap into all these different people out in the world who have different traffic, different audiences, and they want to get in front of that audience. That's the goal of the advertiser. Number two, the affiliate, the publisher. So affiliates, publishers, relatively the same thing, right? You publish something. It's another word for affiliate. But ultimately, you could be just one person that is an affiliate, or you could be a big company that's considered an affiliate. And what you're doing is you're serving offers to your audience. You're serving third-party offers. You don't own the offer. You're not going out and doing any customer service. You don't have to do anything. All you need to do is get that product or service in front of the right audience to take an action. That's it. That's it. You can start this after this video. The goal is that you want to find the right audience so that you can get people that actually have interest in the offer that you're promoting to them. And by doing so, if they take an action, we call that the payable event. That's the agreement that you make up front with your advertiser, the payable action, the payable event. You're agreeing on if you get somebody to do this, get a click, sign up as a lead, purchase something, you will get paid X. Number 3, and the most important person in this entire equation, is the consumer. The consumer is everything. You need a consumer, or affiliates don't make money, advertisers don't make money. But the idea is that you want to create a win-win-win situation, right? As an affiliate, you're looking for offers for your audience that you believe will add some value. So that when your audience buys something from one of your affiliate partners, you helped your audience find that product or service. The advertiser sold something, you get a commission for it. Everybody wins. A lot of ways that they'll do it is you can promote through social media, blogs, websites, emails, etc. I'll get into that in a little bit as I go into how you get traffic or what types of traffic a little bit longer in this presentation. But the most important thing for you to understand here is consumers don't pay more money by buying a product from your affiliate link. The commission that is being paid to an affiliate is already built in to the product offering. You won't be charging somebody else more money because you need to get paid. Whether the person goes and buys directly from the company or through your affiliate link, they're going to pay the same amount of money. As far as you're concerned, you want them to come to your link so that you can get paid. Here we go with how do affiliates get paid. So here's the models. You get paid on a CPC, which is considered a pay for every click. What does that mean? Advertisers agree to pay an affiliate if you get somebody to click on any of their ads. You promote one of their offers, someone goes and clicks on that ad from your website, they will then get directed to the advertiser's offer, their website, their store. At that point, you've done your job, you get paid. So if you agree to drive clicks for 25 cents, you get 1,000 clicks, you're gonna make $250 a day. Good deal, right? Affiliates tend to refer to this as their EPC or RPC, right? EPC stands for earnings per click, RPC stands for revenue per click. People that email tend to look at EPCs because their job is to get emails into the inbox and then get somebody to click on the creative that will link out to a partner site. So what they typically do to model out their business is they look at it as what are they making per click, earnings per click. If you were talking to a mailer and you wanted to get distribution for your offer, they might say to you, well, what are you seeing on an EPC? You might be like, I don't know. Well, now you know. You know it means earnings per click. Why would they ask that question? Because they want to know when they send emails, if they can generate 10,000 clicks today and they normally see 25 cents per click, if you're only generating 10 cents a click, they're probably not going to want to mail it. They don't want to waste their time. You always want to understand the value of the offer. They'll talk in EPC, so if anybody ever asks you those questions, you'll know now. Okay, number 2, cost per lead. I talk about this all the time, right? I have a lead generation company, generating leads. Generate leads for companies, for people that are willing to pay you for someone to show some interest in their product or service. The way it works is you talk to an advertiser and they tell you they are willing to pay you for every time somebody signs up as a lead. You will agree ahead of time on what that lead is. You'll define what a lead is, right? Some people may just want name and email address. Others need a phone number. All of that is done before you start promoting. But the point is, this model is you're gonna generate a click somewhere, and then if that person lands on the site and fills out a lead form, that's where you're gonna get paid. It's important to understand that these people are expressing interest in the product. They call this opting in. They're giving you consent. They're giving the advertiser consent to contact them, right? They call it PII, personal identifiable information, PII. That's a big thing on the internet with privacy. For someone to reach out to you, you need to tell them you want them to. That's the whole idea, permission-based marketing, right? You're giving them permission. So that's all the cost per lead side, right? So you're just getting somebody to show some interest. From an affiliate perspective, we'll look at that as RPL, like what is the revenue per lead that you're making, so that you can understand how much you can pay out to the marketplace. Number 3 is pay per sale. CPA, pay per sale. Advertiser agrees to pay the affiliate on any sales generated. This is common for most large brands out in the marketplace. Any affiliate program out there where you don't really have a strategic relationship, you want to go and sign up, promote their product or services, you go to Nike. Nike will pay you a percentage of their sales. What happens? Consumer clicks, they land on a site, they make a purchase, you make a commission. Most large brands do this. Like I said, if you want to promote big ass brands, go to their sites, look for the affiliate programs. They're going to pay you a percentage. Usually it's not very exciting, it's low, and you're going to find that that's the case until you start to show that you can drive some real traffic. And when you do, and you show that you can get a lot of eyeballs, drive a lot of sales, that's when they're going to want to reach out to you and really start to do some strategic deal where you're going to get paid a lot more. But CPS, cost per sale, CPA stands for cost per acquisition, same concept. Bottom line is you're driving a customer, a new customer for them, and then you're getting paid a commission for it. Affiliate traffic channels. As far as I'm concerned, if you own your own media, if you have distribution, you will never have a problem making money in your life, ever. It is the most powerful thing on the internet. Everybody is looking for traffic. Everybody is looking to get their offer out to the marketplace. They want distribution. If there's something you're going to focus on, it is figuring out a way to get an audience. I have a bunch here that I've listed, but I talked to you guys all day long about this, right? I'm building software, Survey Detective. I plugged it in here, right? Just because this is my presentation. I have nothing to sell you. I'm not selling anything at all. I'm just trying to help you. I don't want to sell you guys anything. I won't sell anything at the end of this at all. I'm just helping you. But I'm building survey software. Why? Because I know it works. Surveys, quizzes, assessments. Ultimately, by using those surveys, those quizzes, those assessments, you can generate leads. Then you create a database where you have the ability to control your own media. And by doing so, you can now communicate with these people to either sell affiliate product, somebody else's product, a third-party offer, where you do nothing but just go grab the link and start promoting. Guys, this is it, okay? People are struggling with not sure how to make money. This is it. Surveys, quizzes, assessments, the whole concept there is building up your database, generating leads so that you can now own your media. All of these things here, traffic, distribution. This is what affiliates do, right? The quality of each of these sources is going to range. It's very different. So you got to be careful with what you're willing to run traffic to. It's never going to be the same, right? Your EPCs are going to be different for every one of these different channels. The value is going to be different. The quality of traffic, the conversion rates, they are going to be different. It's all around intent and their audience and what the buyer's mindset is. But so these are all the ways that people are becoming affiliates. You can be an affiliate. You can go and do all of this. What if you're saying, man, I don't know how to do any of this stuff. I'm new. Come on, Eric. You said you were making this easy. Okay. Well, guess what, guys? Here's the easy thing. They call them affiliate networks. And you don't need to have a big, crazy company with thousands of people. You could be a one-man shop. An affiliate network is an affiliate broker. What does that mean? That means that you have people that can drive traffic like any of the 17 things on here. They're your distribution. Now what do you got to do? You got to go find offers. You got to go find a unique offer. That advertiser is looking for traffic or distribution. And what you're going to do is you're going to play a middle. You're going to go get the offer from the advertiser. You're going to go find distribution from other affiliates. You're going to make a market and you're going to make money in between. Massive business, guys, massive. I make good money doing that. Over the years, I've made millions and millions of dollars doing that. How do I get started? Just put together a quick little 6 steps here. For anybody that's listening to this and you're like, man, I don't know what to do now. Here's the deal. This is how you do it. And this is as simple as it gets. Make a list of things you like, things you love, top 5 niches. Then think about products within that niche that you love. If you have an audience, okay, this is important, guys, you need to know what the audience likes. Not what you like, what your audience likes. We're just getting started. You don't even know where to start. You likely don't have an audience. So you're gonna go and you're gonna just kind of look around for stuff. And this is how it works. Number 3, Go into Google, into Bing, into any search engine. Amazon's a search engine, okay? Type in the product name and then affiliate program. Go into Google, type in Allbirds affiliate program. You'll be able to sign up and promote Allbirds shoes and get people to go to their site, and when they do, if they buy anything, you're gonna make a commission. Simple as that, guys. Why it's so unbelievable that you can scale is because you don't have to go and produce product. You don't have to be a customer service rep. You don't have to deal with customers at all. Your job is to get people to see the advertiser's offers, and that's it. People will buy things from you, click, you're gonna make commissions, you're gonna earn money, and you're on your way to a side hustle. You're on your way to start creating some money. If you like it, awesome. If you wanna scale that business, it's very possible. I've done millions and millions of dollars in this space, millions and millions of dollars, and I promise you, I'm nothing special. But so, guys, like I said, I'm not selling you anything. This is just to put this out into the world because I've gotten a lot of questions from people in my text community asking me questions about this. I thought it was a good idea for us to just kind of go over that quickly. This is what it is. This is affiliate marketing 101 for beginners. Anybody in the world can do it. You can do this. You can make a few bucks on the side. You can do it. And it's all done through this. Super simple stuff without having any real tech skills. You don't need a lot of money. You just gotta hustle, man. You gotta understand the dynamic of how this works, and you just gotta go after it. Hope this was helpful. Let me know. Let me know if you like this presentation, but I thought it'd be helpful for people to be able to see something as I'm explaining it. If you like this, if you like the content, you like the stuff that we're doing, subscribe to the podcast, subscribe to my YouTube channel, shoot me a note, text me, 917-636-1998. Just get in touch, connect. I'd love to hear what's going on with you guys. I'd love to hear what you're doing. I'd love to hear you put this into some action. Give me some feedback on when you start making some money. It's so awesome. It's so cool. It's so much fun when I see people actually realize this is possible and realize how easy it is. So with that said, guys, I am out. Be well. Love to you and your families. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.